Today we'll talk about fractions. Today we'll talk about fractions. The objects of this lesson to know what's the meaning of fraction, to know what's the meaning of fractions and how you used it in our life, and the types also of fraction. Okay. Now I will say the lesson keywords and I will choose between you, okay, to say it again. Okay. The lesson keywords, it's about fractions, and I know it, you know what's the meaning of fractions. Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed number, numerator, denominator. Okay, who wants to say it again? Who can say it again? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Asil. Welcome back, Asil. Say it, Asil. Okay. Asked.
Yes.
Okay. Fraction. Say it. Yes. Excellent.
Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed number, numerator,
denominator. Okay, excellent, Yasir. Kenzie Tamir. Okay, say it again, Kenzie. Kenzie, I can't hear you. Where are you, Kenzie? Okay, say it, Kenzie.
Fraction.
Okay, just 1 minute. Yes, fraction, proper. Yes, mixed number, numerator, and denominator, and okay. To know what's the meaning of fraction, let's take an example to make it simple. Like when you have pizza, okay? Who likes pizza? All of you? Okay. Okay, like when you have pizza, it means one object. It's a whole object, yes? So if you have one object like pizza, okay, you can divide it till now, yes? But if you want to divide it into equal parts, like when I want to divide it to Miral and Lamar and Hannah and Asil, okay? I want to divide it to 4 equal parts, yes? Okay? All of you will take just one slide, yes? So you will divide it to 4 equal parts. When I want to divide it to Miral and Lamar and Hannah and Asil, I will divide it into 4 equal parts, yes? What? Who raise your hand? You want anything, Jana? Jana? Sama? Down your hands. Put your hands down. Okay? If you want anything, just raise your hand. Okay, Fairuz, what's your Fairuz? You raise your hand. You want anything, Fairuz? Okay. What?
Okay. When we cut anything that is like a hole, we know that it can be cut into many pieces.
Yes.
Fourth.
So when is yes, fourth, excellent. Fifth, third, yes, excellent. But it must be equal. To say it is fraction, you must be equal. It must be equal. Like when you divided it to 4 equal parts, it must be equal, yeah, Fairuz. Okay? Okay. Excellent. Excellent, yeah, Fairuz. So when you divide it into equal parts, so each part I will call it as a fraction. Okay? You understood now what the meaning of fraction? You understood? Okay. Raise your hand if you want anything. Okay, let's take another example. Who raise your hand? Fairuz also. Ali? What Ali?
My mic is mute.
Okay. I can hear you now.
Okay.
Okay, يعني. Okay, let's take another example. Like when you have 1 pound, it means whole object, like 1 pound, and I want to divide it to Fairuz and Jana. Okay, I want to divide it to Fairuz and Jana. Each one will take what? Jana, each one will take what? I want to divide it to 2 equal parts. Which each one will take what? I have 1 pound and I want to divide it to 2 equal parts. Raise your hand. Okay, Muhammad Mansour. Okay, sorry.
Half.
Yes, excellent. Half. I will divide it to 2 equal parts. So it means half. Yes, Yajana? Okay. What? Okay, Miral. What's Miral?
It will be half.
Yes, excellent. It will be half. Excellent. So when you want to divide up all object to equal parts, okay, so each part is called a fraction. Excellent. I will divide it into equal parts to 2 equal parts, 1/2. Excellent, all of you. And this is called fraction. So who can tell me what, Jana? Do you want anything? What, Jana?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. You understood what's the meaning of fraction now? Okay. So who can tell me what's the meaning of fraction? A definition or a small definition for fraction. Raise your hand. Okay, Judy. Judy, focus, Judy. Focus with me. Lamar, Farida, Hannah, Tasneem, Hoda, open your cams. Tasneem, Adam Samir, Farida, open your cam. Who can tell me a small definition for a fraction? Okay, Fairuz. Okay, Lamar. Okay, told me what's the meaning of fraction now, ya Lamar? Lamar.
يا مستر يعني أنا مش فاهمة كويس.
Fraction? Okay, again, ya Lamar.
Yes.
When you have one object, ya Lamar, like 1 pizza, okay? Whole object, 1 pizza, you have 1 pizza, okay? And you want to divide it to 4 equal parts. I want to divide it for Lamar and Jana and Mazin and Omar, okay? I want to divide it 4 equal parts, okay? I want to share it equally between you, okay? Okay, Lamar? Lamar, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so you have 1 object and I want to share it equally for equal parts. Okay, which one from you will take just 1 slide? Yes, from 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, Lamar? Okay, and each slide is called fraction. Each slide from it is called fraction because I divided the whole object to 4 equal parts. So each part from pizza is called fraction. Okay. 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 So now who can tell me a small definition for the fraction? Raise your hand. Okay. Fairuz.
That the fraction the whole can be only is the biggest.
Okay. Slowly.
The whole
Yes.
the whole fraction is the biggest fraction is the biggest thing in fractions.
Okay.
And we can and also that the 2 halves are equal to 1 whole.
Yes. Okay. So the meaning of fraction, when you have any object and you want to divide it to equal parts, so each part is called fraction. And a small definition for fraction, it's apart from whole. It's apart from what, Miral? It's part from what?
What? We can't hear you.
It's part from whole, yes?
Yeah, it's apart from whole. We can divide
Yes.
it into half. We can divide it into fourth. We can divide it into any number.
Third, fifth,
And,
excellent. So, you know what's the meaning, Hannah? What's the meaning of fraction now, yeah, Hannah?
Yeah.
Okay. Farida, do you know what's the meaning of fraction? Mazen, welcome you, Mazen. Farida, do you understood? Okay, excellent. Okay, Judy, you understood? Sandy, open your cam. Sama, Adam, Samir. Okay. So when you want to divide any object to equal parts, each part will called fraction. And a small definition from fraction, it's part from whole object. It's part. Kenzie. Kenzie. Sit well, ya Kenzie. Okay, let's complete. Okay. So the fraction, now we know the fraction. What the meaning of fraction? Yes. The fraction consists of numerator, the number in up is called the numerator, and the number in down is called denominator. The number up is called the numerator, and the number in down is called denominator. But what's the meaning of numerator and denominator? Okay, so any fraction consists of numerator, the number in up, and denominator, the number in down. Okay, but I want to know what's the meaning of numerator and denominator. Yes. Okay. Denominator, it means how many equal parts in whole object. How many equal parts in whole object. Like when you divide, you want to divide it, any object, to 4 equal parts. So the denominator here, it will be 4. Yes. Okay. Hamad, Hams. Okay. When you want to divide it, any object like pizza, Hamas. Okay. When you want to divide it to 8 equal parts, so the denominator here, it will be what? I want to divide pizza to 8 equal parts. So the denominator here, it will be
8.
Excellent. 8. So the meaning of denominator, how many equal parts in whole object? How many equal parts in whole object? Okay. Like this, how many equal parts in this circle? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. Okay, Judy.
2.
Excellent, yeah, Judy. 2 equal parts. So the denominator here, it will be 2. Yes, 2 equal parts. Excellent. Okay. Find the denominator of these fractions. Raise your hand. Omar Amouri. It's a player name. Okay. Okay. Here, how many equal parts? I want the denominator in this circle.
4.
Excellent. 4. Just 4. I want the how many equal parts? Just 4. Yes?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. Who else? Farida. Okay. The denominator in this triangle. What?
Sir.
Yes. So the denominator here, it will be equal what, ya Farida?
1.
Yes, the denominator. How many equal parts in this shape? In the triangle? Yes, excellent. So the denominator here, it will be 3. Excellent.
Can I answer?
Okay.
Okay. I am Fairuz.
Okay, Fairuz. Here,
Okay.
in the rectangle, the denominator here, how many equal parts in this rectangle?
1/8. 1/8.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Excellent, yeah, Fairuz. So the denominator
I
here,
wanted it faster because I saw that in the one row I had column and they are 2 columns.
yes, 4
so
by
they
2.
are 8.
Excellent, excellent, yeah, Fairuz. Okay. Okay, now we know what the meaning of denominator. How many equal parts in the whole object? Yes, ya Lamar, Sandy. Okay.
Yes, monsieur.
Okay. Okay, Omar, Farida, Tasneem, open your camera, Tasneem. Adam, they understood? Okay, Adam, Yusuf, open your cam, Anas. Okay, Asil, Mariam. Open your cams, please. Okay, so now we know what the meaning of denominator, how many equal parts in the whole object, yes, and you count it, yes, excellent. But what's the meaning of numerator? Numerator, how many equal parts you will take from this object, okay? How many equal parts you will take, okay? Like when I have pizza, okay? And Farida take one from this pizza. Take just one slide from pizza, yes? So the numerator here, it will be 1. Why 1? Because she take just one slide from the whole object. So the numerator, it means how many equal parts you will take from the whole object. What, Sandy, do you want anything? Okay, Sandy. You understood? Put your hands down, please. Asil, put your hands down. Amazing. Okay. So now we know what's the meaning of denominator and the numerator. The denominator, how many equal parts in the whole object, and the numerator, how many equal parts you will take from this object. Yes, like this one. How many equal parts here is 2. But how many equal parts you will take, Mazen? How many equal parts you will take, ya Mazen?
2.
Equal parts here is 2, but how many equal parts you will take? The colored part.
1.
Yes, excellent, ya Mazen. It's 1, so you will take 1 here from 2 equal parts, and the numerator here, it will be 1. Excellent, and the denominator, it will be 2. Okay. What?
Can I go to the restroom?
Okay, amazing. Hurry up. Okay. Find the numerators. Wait. Okay. Find the numerator for these fractions. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Jana? Okay. Let's start. Here. The numerator here is what, ya Jana?
Numerator 3.
Excellent. You take 3 equal parts from 4 equal parts. So the numerator here, it will be 3. Excellent. Sandy? How many equal parts here, yeah, Sandy?
The 2.
You will take 2, yes? But how many
Yes.
equal parts you have? 3, yes? And you will take just 2 from 3. Excellent, yes, Sandy. Okay. Tasneem? How many equal parts you will take from this shape, yeah, Sandy? Sorry, Tasneem.
1.
Yes, excellent. 1. So the numerator here, it will be 1. Okay. Hamas? Hams? Okay, how many equal parts you will take here, yeah, Hams? Can you hear me?
3.
No, in this shape. What? Yes, excellent. 5. So, Anas.
Yes, Mister.
This answer is right. She said 5, yeah, Anas. Is 5 is right?
Yes.
Excellent. Why, Anas? Can you tell me why? Anas, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, because she takes 5 equal parts from 8 equal parts. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, excellent, Anas. Focus with me. Okay, let's watch a video, okay, to help us to know what the meaning of fraction also. Who want to see it? Okay. What, Anas? Do you want anything?
There were 5 pieces in one whole.
What, Anas? Do you want anything, Anas? Okay. Can you hear it?
Whole pie. The denominator of the whole pie was 5. The numerator of my part was 3, as 3/5 of the pie was for me. My mom made the apple pie out of Granny Smith.
Wait.
Yeah.
Can you see it now? Okay. Can you hear it?
There were 5 pieces in one whole pie. The denominator of the whole pie was 5. The numerator of my part was 3, as 3/5 of the pie was for me. My mom made the apple pie out of Granny Smith's. She asked me if I liked it. I said, I plead the 5th.
The numerator's the part, the denominator's the whole, and fractions are parts of a whole.
So the meaning of fraction, it's parts of a whole object, yes?
3 birds were on a telephone pole. The denominator 3 was the group as a whole. The numerator 2, out of the thirds, described the 2/3 that were bluebirds. The numerator 2 described how many were blue. Then something fell on my head. It was bird poo. Bird poo.
The numerator's the part, the denominator's the whole, and fractions are parts of a whole.
Na 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 na. I took 4 shots on the goal. 3 went in, but 1 hit the pole. My denominator was all 4 shots. The numerator was the 3 goals I got. The other team's record and taking a toll. I got 3/4 summer shots and 1 Olympic gold.
The numerator's the part, the denominator's the whole, and fractions are parts of a whole. A number line is every fraction between 0 and 1. Right in the middle is 1, half and fourth is half of that. A fraction's parts you realize have to be the same size.
You know what's the meaning of fraction and consists of what? Numerator and denominator. And now we know what's the difference between numerator and denominator, yes? Any question? Okay. Okay. Yusuf, can you tell me the fraction consists of what now? Yusuf.
Consists from numerator and denominator.
And what's the difference between them? The numerator, what's the difference? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. What's the difference between numerator and denominator? Raise your hand. Mariam, Sama, open your cams. What's the difference between numerator and denominator? Just Asil and Anas? Okay, Anas, raise your hand. Okay, Anas?
Okay, the difference between numerator and denominator, the numerator we take from the whole.
Yes,
the denominator, the all of the whole.
Yes, excellent. So the numerator, how many equal parts you will take, and the denominator, how many equal parts you have. Excellent, Jans. Okay, how to read the fraction? Fraction, we read it, the numerator first, and after that, the denominator. But we'll put th from fifths or fourths, okay? Like when you have here 2 equal parts, and you will take just 1, so it will be 1/2. I called it 1/2. What, Omar? Do you want anything, Omar? Okay. What?
Can I go to the toilet?
Okay, Omar. What, Kenzie? Kenzie. What, Kenzie? Okay. So when you want to read the fraction, first read the numerator, like here, 1, yes, from 3 equal parts. So I can read it as 1/3. From 4 till the end, I will just add th to the number, to the denominator. Like here, you take 1 from 5 equal parts, from 5 equal parts. So it will be 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, 1/8, 1/9, and so on. Just add th to the denominator. Okay. What, Kenzie? You want anything, Kenzie? Okay. Okay, who want to answer it with me? Raise your hand. Raise your hand, all of you. Yes. Okay. Okay. We'll choose. Wait, يا فيروز. Okay, Sandy. Here, I will solve number 1. Here you will take 4 equal parts from 8 equal parts. So the answer here, it will be 4/8, yes? Okay, Sandy, solve number 2.
Number 2, 1 over 3.
Yes, excellent. 1/3. You take 1 from 3 equal parts. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Excellent. Now we'll choose you take 1, yes, from 3 equal parts. So the result, it will be 1/3. Okay, Muhammad.
Yes.
Okay, how many equal parts here?
5/6.
Yes, excellent, Muhammad. You make 5/6. Excellent. 6 equal parts, and you will take 5 colored parts from 6 equal parts. So the result, it will be 5/6. Yes. Okay. Yes. The next question. Who can tell me? Okay. Anas. Here, Anas. How many equal parts? Okay, wait, Anas. How many equal parts you have?
Okay. 3.
Yes. Okay, 3 what?
7.
What?
2/7.
He said 2/7. This answer is right, Judy?
No.
Why no? Can you explain it?
3/6.
Okay, 3/6. Excellent. Okay. Excellent, all of you. Clap for yourself. Excellent. Okay, Judy, Ahmed. Okay, let's play a game first, and after that, we'll make a competition between you. Okay? Let's play it. Okay. Wait. Can you see it? Okay, Judy Ahmed. Here. Which of these fractions 1/3? Can you see? Which one?
Yes.
Which one? A or B or C? C. Excellent. Excellent, yeah, Judy. Okay, who want to answer? Raise your hand. Okay. Sama. Sama. Shows the numerators.
What?
Which of these shows the numerator? Here, A or B or C? Which one is the numerator here? A or B or C, Asama? What? It's number 5 or 16, yeah, Sama? Sama?
5.
Excellent. Okay, the next question, all of you solve it and send it to me in chat box. We'll make competition. Who would answer first? Can you send it? Send it in the chat box. Excellent, Judy. Fairuz. Okay, Fairuz. Okay. Fairuz, answer first. Excellent, 1/2. The next question, all of you. Okay, answer first. Who's answer first? 4/5. Which one, A or B or C? Yusuf, answer first. Excellent. Okay. Who can say? Okay, Tasneem. Can you solve it, Tasneem? Tasneem, you have here how many equal parts you will take? 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it. Yes, 5. And how many equal parts you have? The answer is okay. We're finished. Okay, let's go back to our session. Okay, after playing it, now we'll know what the types of fraction. We have types of fractions. We have 3 types of fractions. Okay, down. Put your hands down again. Okay. The types of fractions, we have 3 types of fraction. We have 3 types of fractions. Proper fraction and improper fraction and mixed number. Okay. Fractions, the types of fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed numbers. Okay. Proper fractions, when I said the numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator, the number in up is less than the number in down. Who can give me example? Raise your hand. Proper fraction, it means what? The numerator is less than the denominator. The number in up is less than the number in down. Like here, you take 5 equal parts from 6 equal parts. Yes, the numerator is less than the denominator. Yes, here is 5 and here is 6. Okay, who can give me another example? Okay, Lamar. Give me another example to a proper fraction. Lamar.
Yes, Mr.
Can you give me another example? Proper fraction. The numerator is less than the denominator. The number in up is less than the number in down. Yes? Can you give me example?
Yes.
Okay, tell me example. Hello. Okay, يا لمار. Again, يا لمار. Okay, who can say the fractions, types of fractions first? Can you say it? Proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. Proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. Can you say it again, ya Hannah? The types of fractions. What's the types of fractions? Hannah? Okay. What's the types of fraction? Can you read it? Proper fraction. What?
Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction or mixed number. Excellent. Okay. Proper fraction, ya Lamar. Focus. Proper fraction, it means the numerator is less than the denominator. The number in up is less than the number in down. Like here, you take 5 equal parts from 6 equal parts. Yes. So the proper fraction, it means the number in up is less than the number in down. Another example, like 2/3. Here, the number in up is less than the number in down. Who can tell me another example for proper fraction? Asil?
Yes.
Okay, tell me another.
Proper fraction. 6/7.
Yes, okay, 1/7. Excellent. This is another example. Okay. Let's take another one. The type of improper fraction. Improper fraction, it means the number in up is greater than or equal to the number in down. It means the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Like here, 8/6. Here's the numerator, the number in up is greater than the number in down. Who can tell me another example? Sandy.
4/4.
What? What?
4.
4/what?
4.
4/4. Excellent. It's 4/4 is improper. Who can tell me? Omar Amour is 4/4 is improper. She said 4/4 is improper or not?
It's not proper.
It's improper or not?
Improper.
Improper. Excellent. 4/4, it's improper fraction. Excellent. Because the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Excellent, all of you. Okay, the mixed number. Mixed number consists of what? Consists of whole number, whole object, okay, and the proper fraction, and the proper fraction, not improper. Like here, you have one circle and all parts of it is colored, so it means you have one whole object. And proper fraction, here 2/6. She said she take 2 from 6 equal parts, so it will be 1/2/6. Who can tell me another example for mixed number? Raise your hand. Okay, Ali.
Okay. Yes.
Can you tell me?
Yes.
Okay, tell me another example for mixed number.
Okay. Mixed number.
Like what?
One whole plus one whole plus.
Any proper fraction you want. Any proper fraction. Like 2/4, 6/8, any proper fraction, okay? Okay. Like here, 1/2/6, 2/4/7, 2/8, any proper fraction. So the mixed number consists of whole number or whole object and proper fraction okay? So who can tell me now what's the types of fractions? Okay, we'll choose Judy. Can you tell me the types of fractions? Where's Judy? Can you tell me the types of fraction, ya Judy? Judy Adil.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the types of fraction? Can you tell me the types of fraction?
Stream.
Okay. The types of fractions. Judy, can you say it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the types of fraction is what? Judy.
Yeah.
The types of fraction.
Where?
You can see it? Okay, focus here, Judy. Okay, who can tell me the types of fraction? Kenzie?
Minister.
What?
Minister.
Wait, Kenzie?
The type of fraction.
Focus, Judy.
Me?
Kenzie. Yes, yeah, Kenzie.
No. A proper fraction. A proper fraction.
Okay. What's the difference between them? I can't hear you well, yeah, Kenzie.
Okay. Like
What's the difference between them?
the difference between them.
I can't hear you well, yeah, Kenzie.
Okay. 1 minute.
I can't hear you well. Okay, so we'll take another one. Okay, talk now. Talk now, yeah, Kenzie.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, I'm البر fraction denominator bigger than numerator.
Okay.
The impure fraction the numerator bigger than denominator, and mixed fraction whole number plus impure fraction.
Okay, excellent. Now we'll make competition between boys and girls, okay? Boys and the girls. Okay. I will ask first one. Okay, we'll choose Hannah. Hannah. Can you hear me, Hannah? Hannah. Wait. Where is Hannah? Okay, Hannah. Choose the correct type of the fraction from these fractions. Okay. 2/5 is proper or improper or mixed? Hannah. What? Proper or improper?
Proper.
Proper fraction. Excellent. So the answer is right. Okay, one from girls. Okay. We'll choose boy. Yusuf. 17/8, yeah, Yusuf. Yusuf, 17/8.
8. Improper
Fraction. Excellent. One boys. Judy.
Yeah.
Number C, Judy. 2/3 is proper, improper, mixed.
Mix it.
Excellent. Excellent, yeah, Judy. Okay. Omar. Here. Number D, Omar. Proper or improper or mixed, yeah, Omar.
Okay, numbers. Okay.
D.
Okay. 14. Improper.
He said improper. The answer is right, Hams?
No, proper.
Proper or improper?
Proper.
Ham's answer is right. He said proper. His answer is right or not?
Yes, proper.
Excellent, proper. Okay, the next one, Fairuz.
Okay.
15
15 over 9.
9.
Improper.
Improper, excellent. Okay. Mazen.
Yes.
Number F.
Mixed.
Mixed. Okay, excellent. Wait, yeah, Fairuz. Okay, the next one, Jana. Number G. Proper or improper or mixed? Six over 11. Wait, yeah, Kenzie. Jana.
Proper.
Yes, proper. 6 over 11 is proper. Excellent. Okay, the last one. Muhammad. 8 over 5.
Improper.
Improper. Okay, excellent. Draw. But now I'll give you a question. I will choose boy and girl. Okay. And send it in chat box. Okay. Omar and boys and girls. Omar and we'll choose Farida. Okay, Omar and Farida.
مستر ممكن أنا أبقى بعضهم.
Who are you?
فيروز again.
Okay, Fairuz. Wait, Fairuz. Okay, 5 over 5. Tell me in the chat box. I said what? Omar and Farida. 5 over 5 is what? Tell me in the chat box. Omar and Farida. 5 over 5 is proper or improper? All of you tell me in the chat box. All of you tell me in the chat box. 5 over 5 is proper, improper, or mixed? Send it, Omar, Farida, all of you. Okay. Okay, Omar. Farida, send it. Okay. Noya Hamza is wrong. Excellent, yeah, Yusuf. Noya Judy. Your answer is wrong. Okay, boys win. 5 over 5 is improper fraction. We say it. 5 over 5 is improper fraction. Excellent, all of you. So now we finish our session. Before we finish, we want to know what did we study? We studied what's the meaning of fractions, what is the difference between numerator and the denominator, and the types of fractions. Okay. Hope we see you again. You can take a break 5 minutes.
Okay.
Goodbye.
I promise. Just